And U.S. stocks were solidly higher this afternoon for a change. Trading ended with a day of gains. Here's a look at the closing numbers. The Dow up 215 points. The NASDAQ up more than 100. The S&P up 37. But the market has certainly been volatile recently. That's on everyone's mind, and that's why Jon Wax from Waller & Wax Associates and Raymond James joins us now. And it really makes investors leery and nervous when these market corrections keep happening. Is it even a correction yet?
Well, we just barely went into correction territory, and some of the technical indicators we look for told us that it was a correction, but you always have to kind of look in hindsight to decide, was it actually a correction? And what we're dealing with now is the emotional side. It's a whipsaw. A week ago, everyone was panicked and worried and concerned, how far will this go down? Now we're up 215 points today. And the news hasn't changed. I mean, there's been some earnings that have come back better, things that make people feel better. The cruise ship comes back, and the Ebola apparently hasn't spread. Things like that have been subsiding, which is allowing people to maybe carry a little bit less stress about this.
But do you think because of all the news that's so readily available, all the market information, the CNBCs of the world, that has investors on a daily basis watching things, whereas before, maybe not so much?
Yeah, you're right. People are way too dialed in, and they might not even be dialed into the right information or the right sources. But something we tell clients to do is think about how often do you go get an actual value of your house. You don't do it that often, yet over the long haul, real estate is going to go up. And even after real estate went down, it went back up. So same thing, watching it all the time or voting in their accounts how they feel about the economy can end up really hurting them.
Should people sell right now, buy right now? Is there an easy answer to that?
I think the easy answer is to decide, are you a long-term investor or a short-term investor? If you're a short-term investor, volatility is back right now. It's hard to say what you should do. If you're a long-term investor, things are on discount right now. So take a look at where values might be.
All right, excellent advice. We always appreciate it. Thank you, Jon.